Imagine stepping into a world where every meal is a celebration of life, culture, and history. A place where the air is perfumed with the aromatic blend of spices, the sun-kissed flavors are rich with tradition, and every dish is a story passed down through generations. So sit back, let your imagination soar, and allow the flavors of the Caribbean to take you on an unforgettable adventure, one bite at a time. We begin our journey with the irresistible patties. Picture a golden, flaky pastry, its crust delicately crisp, yet yielding to a burst of savory filling inside. Caribbean patties are much more than a quick snack or a street food staple. They are a cultural emblem, a way for families and communities to share a taste of home. These pastry pockets are traditionally filled with spiced meats such as chicken or beef, each bite delivering a carefully curated balance of heat, spices, and herbs. For those who favor a modern twist, inventive versions with curry chicken or even vegetable fillings have become popular complements to the classic flavor. Escovitch fish. Next on our journey is the Escovitch fish. Imagine a perfectly fried fish that has been transformed by an infusion of bold, tangy flavors. This dish starts with fresh fish, often snapper or grouper, which is delicately fried until its skin turns a crisp, satisfying golden brown. Once the fish is ready, it is drenched in a spicy vinegar-based sauce, one that combines the tartness of vinegar with the warmth of Scotch bonnet peppers, onions, and carrots. Every element of Escovitch fish is carefully balanced to create a taste that is both lively and comforting. The acidity of the marinade cuts through the richness of the fried fish, while herbs and vegetables added to the mix impart a brightness that lingers on your palate. Fried plantain. The journey continues with the iconic fried plantain, a dish that offers delicious contrasts. On one hand, the soft, sweet flavor of maduros, ripe, caramelized plantains, and on the other, the crisp, savory goodness of tostones, twice-fried green plantains. Whether you favor the natural sweetness that emerges as plantains ripen, or the satisfying crunch of a savory preparation, fried plantains are a versatile treat that adorns Caribbean tables across the islands. In many Caribbean homes, plantains are a daily comfort food. The process begins by slicing the fruit, either when it's green for tostones or ripe for maduros, and frying them in hot oil until they turn golden. As they sizzle, the natural sugars in the plantain caramelize, creating a rich, buttery flavor that is simply irresistible, often served alongside a main dish or as a snack on their own. Rice and peas. No discussion of Caribbean cuisine would be complete without rice and peas, the soulful heart of many island meals. A dish that marries tender rice with the creaminess of kidney beans or pigeon peas, this staple is cooked slowly in coconut milk, timbered with hints of thyme, scallions, and the unmistakable heat of Scotch bonnet peppers. The result is a dish whose robust flavors transport you to endless sunny beaches and gentle island breezes. The secret, as many island chefs will tell you, lies in the slow simmering process, where the ingredients meld to create a harmonious blend of tropical flavors. Callaloo. Our voyage takes us next to callaloo, a dish that, like a verdant soul, brings the freshness of the earth to your plate. Callaloo is more than just a leafy green. It is a beautifully prepared stew where callaloo leaves, often combined with spinach or taro, are slowly simmered in coconut milk with okra, scallions, and a blend of spices that might include thyme and garlic. Often enriched with bits of salted cod, callaloo is a dish that exemplifies the ingenuity of Caribbean cuisine. Historically, callaloo has been a staple in many households, offering nourishment and robust flavor to those who enjoy traditional island cooking. Its deep, earthy flavor is complemented by the creaminess of coconut, creating a dish that is comforting, nutritious, and deeply rooted in history. In many ways, callaloo symbolizes the resourcefulness of the Caribbean people, taking humble ingredients and transforming them into something extraordinary. Pepper pot, a slow-cooked stew that is at once filling, flavorful, and deeply comforting. In many Caribbean kitchens, pepper pot is the dish that brings everyone together, a meal that is as much about community as it is about exceptional flavor. Prepared by simmering an assortment of meats, vegetables, and a carefully crafted blend of herbs and spices, pepper pot is a celebration of the island's bountiful produce and rich culinary traditions. Each variation of pepper pot showcases regional differences. Some recipes call for goat, others for chicken, or even snail, all enhanced by the zesty kick of spicy seasonings. The slow cooking process allows the flavors to intensify and meld together, creating a complex profile that warms you from the inside out. Served with a side of roti or simply enjoyed on its own. Roti. The versatile roti deserves a special mention in our exploration of Caribbean cuisine. Far more than a simple flatbread, roti is a culinary canvas, a light, flexible, and delicious wrap that carries the legacy of Indian influence on the Caribbean. Traditionally prepared from wheat flour, roti is soft enough to be folded into pockets and used to encase a variety of fillings that have become iconic throughout the islands. Imagine a freshly made roti, warm from the griddle, filled with a fragrant mix of curry goat, chicken, or even spicy vegetables. Each bite offers a delightful contrast between the tender bread and the rich, savory filling. Over time, it has evolved into an essential part of the region's culinary identity, symbolizing unity in diversity. Ackee and saltfish. No tale of Caribbean cuisine would be complete without the mention of ackee and saltfish, the quintessential dish of Jamaica. At first glance, this combination might seem daring, a soft, buttery fruit paired with the distinctly briny taste of salted cod, but the result is a dish that is both sophisticated and utterly comforting. Ackee, a fruit native to West Africa, transforms dramatically when cooked. Its creamy texture provides the perfect counterbalance to the savory saltiness of the cod. Traditionally served with accompaniments like fried dumplings, boiled green bananas, or roasted breadfruit, ackee and saltfish is more than just a meal. Over time, this dish has become synonymous with Jamaican pride, with its flavors evoking memories of family gatherings, festive celebrations, and the indomitable spirit of the Caribbean people. Its continued popularity is a tribute to its timeless appeal and the delicious balance of flavors that have been perfected over generations. Curry goat. Next, we have curry goat. There's nothing quite like the allure of meat that has been slowly simmered to perfection in a fragrant medley of spices. Curry goat is renowned for its succulent meat, tender enough to fall apart with the slightest touch of a fork. Each bite an experience in itself. Marinated in a vibrant cocktail of spices such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, and hot chilies, the goat absorbs every nuance of flavor during its slow, loving cook. This dish is best enjoyed in the company of a hearty side of rice and peas, which complements the spicy, robust flavors of the curry. The magic of curry goat lies in its balance, where heat meets the savory, and spiced broth melds with tender meat to create a harmony that is as bold as it is comforting. Its origins are intertwined with the history of Indian indentured laborers in the Caribbean. Curry goat is more than a meal, it's a cultural celebration. A dish where every bite is a nod to the history and perseverance of the islands. Jerk chicken. Finally, we crown our culinary expedition with the iconic jerk chicken, a dish that arguably defines Caribbean cuisine for many around the world. Jerk chicken is a masterpiece of marinade and slow cooking that transforms ordinary chicken into a spectacular display of spice and flavor. The process begins with marinating chicken in a bold mix of allspice, Scotch bonnet peppers, thyme, and other secret ingredients that infuse the meat with an irresistible smoky heat. Once marinated, the chicken is traditionally slow-cooked over pimento wood, which adds a distinct aromatic layer to each bite. Jerk chicken is celebrated for its versatility. It can be served classically with rice, peas, and plantains, or reinvented into modern dishes like jerk chicken pasta, wraps, or even salads. Its smoky, spicy essence is not just food. It is an ambassador of the Caribbean spirit, a vivid reminder of the island's vibrant culture and unyielding passion for life. As you savor this fiery delight, you become a part of a tradition that honors both culinary creativity and deep-rooted heritage. Thank you everyone for watching and subscribing to the channel. Your support inspires us to continue exploring and sharing the extraordinary culinary traditions of the Caribbean. From the comforting embrace of jerk chicken to the rich legacy of patties has not only tantalized your taste buds, but also ignited your curiosity about the stories and cultures behind these dishes. Dive into the vibrant world of Caribbean flavors in your own kitchen, or simply let these stories carry you away to sun-drenched shores, lively markets, and the warm, welcoming hearts of the islands. Enjoy every moment of the flavor adventure, and until next time, keep celebrating the magic of food and the incredible journeys it takes us on.
Move that body. Move that body. Move that body. Move that body.